everyone, by the way, my name is Jeffrey Lumapang. For today's video, I'm going to create a program using Python language.
Python, and kailangan natin ng lagyan ng Python para malaman nila na Python itong ginawa natin, ay Python itong ginamit natin na language. And hashtag this is a single line comment. Pasensya na kayo kung masyadong maliit yung letter na nasa screen kasi screen record lang to. Tapos malapit na rin akong mag-shutdown. Pasensya na kayo kasi wala akong gadget dito sa amin. And now let's continue. This is a multi-line comment. And second, it can span multiple lines and pre-quotes, and multi-line comments are enclosed in triple quotes. Span multiple lines. And def my function and close and open parentheses. And hashtag this is a comment inside a function. This is a comment inside a function. And next is inside the function. A function. And the next is print open parentheses and double quote and hello, then double quote and close parentheses. And next hashtag, and this comment is at the end of a line. Ang single line comment start with hashtag, and multi-line comments are enclosed in triple quotes or double quotes, and the comments are used to explain code and are ignored by the interpreter. And the results of our code, next is my function, tapos close, open and close parentheses. At yan lahat ng code natin, subukan natin ipa-run yung code natin.